Hello class, this is another video tutorial on examples using the sum and differences of trig identities. This will be a short video just reversing the problem. In problems such as these, you need to be able to identify the pattern so that you can figure out what identity it has come from and use the values that you are given. So for example, in this first one, cos 23, cos 22, minus sine 23, sine 22. So obviously it's going to be 23 and 22 as A and B. Now it's just a matter of figuring out which of the identities it is. Clearly it won't be tan, but students at this point still might get confused remembering sine and cos. But the giveaway here is the cos and sine. So this is definitely cos. And for this, since it's a minus, it's the opposite of that. So this is the sum of cosine. This is the exact same as cos of 23 degrees and 22 degrees, which is cos of 45, which, using our exact trig ratio, is 1 on root 2 or root 2 on 2. So that's effectively the problem that we're working with. It's just reversing the identity and applying which of the correct identities we're working with. So let's go with the next one. This one's very obviously going to be tan, but if you pay close attention to the pattern here, plus minus, plus minus. Since we have minus here, we must be using the tan of A minus B. So this is tan of 75 degrees minus 15 degrees, which is tan 60 degrees, which from our exact trig ratios is going to be 1 on root 3. It should be 1 on root 3. Let me just double check by drawing it out again. Here's 60 here. Root 3, 30 is 1. Nope, sorry, my apologies. This should be just root 3. And there we have it. So I hope that's giving you an insight into just these reversing problem types, and hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.